If you want an easy dinner idea, then you have to try these Hawaiian roll meatball sliders that you can either slow cook or bake in the oven. They're really easy to do, and I like to make these when I'm going to be out of the house for a while and come home, and I don't want a super late dinner, so throwing the meatball sliders in the crock pot makes it super easy for me to come home and throw together dinner with a peach salad. Here you see I prepared it for like a Sunday night dinner after a boat ride we were taking, so I had a whole family to feed, extended relatives and everything, and so I whipped up 2 pounds of ground beef meat sliders here, and the slider meatballs are actually a full-sized meatball, and then I use these Hawaiian buns to serve the meatball sliders on. So I served it with some Parmesan cheese, some marinara sauce, and my wonderful peach salad recipe, which I'll tell you more about a little bit later. And then I made these air fryer mini potatoes. So this is a really good example of a simple slow cooker dinner that you could make. The meatballs cooked for 6 hours, but you could do them 8 or 10 hours depending on when you want to get them in there in the morning. And I actually prepped them the night before by forming the meatballs with my husband. Actually, we tag teamed here, and then he went ahead and seared them, and then the next day, after they had been refrigerating overnight, he plopped them in the crock pot, like I said, for about 6 hours, and look at what a delicious meal this turned out to be. I love that extra Parmesan cheese on top, but you could also use provolone cheese or a slice of mozzarella cheese. It would be really good. So if you're going to serve these for a party, stick a toothpick in them, or else just let people make their own little slider assembly and serve it with the delicious salad. Here's a look at my peach salad, which you can find on Sip Bite Go to serve with it. Let me give you an overview. This fresh peach salad is one of my favorite summer salad recipes. It uses really fresh peaches, and it uses some basil, some tomatoes, some delicious burrata cheese. It all comes together very quickly and is finished with a squeeze of lemon and some really tangy balsamic glaze. I'm going to show you how to make it start to finish. You can find the recipe steps at sipbitego.com. And for more delicious recipes, make sure to subscribe to Sip Bite Go on YouTube. I share all my latest recipes right there. So go ahead and print the Hawaiian roll meatball sliders recipe at sipbitego.com and let me know if you have any questions. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day and enjoy these mini meatball sliders. Cheers!